Something happened at breakfast this morning. What? At exactly 7:30 a.m. this morning, my little brother spilled lemon juice in his milk. Ew. That's not all. It curdled.
Ew, why did that happen?
He stole pieces of potato from my plate and dropped it in the mixture. Can you believe that?
Can you believe that it's just like a project of
Let's go run with these songs.
Oh yeah, like what we did in Miss Williamson's classroom.
Yeah, but what were the steps?
I wrote down all the procedures in my handy dandy notebook. First, we labeled the Petri dishes A, B, C, D, and E. Next, we filled the Petri dish A with 4 teaspoons of pure water. Then, we measured out 2 teaspoons of apple juice and poured it into Petri dish B. Fourth, we measured out 2 teaspoons of milk and poured it into B with apple juice. Then we measured out 2 teaspoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of apple juice. In Petri dish D, we mixed 2 teaspoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, which made it curdle, like what my little brother did. In Petri dish E, we measured out 2 teaspoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and poured it into E. For all the Petri dishes except for the water, we took a spoon and we mixed it thoroughly. We left it for 15 minutes so that it could sit and settle and mix with each other. Then we dipped 1 piece of litmus paper in each Petri dish. We held it there for 10 seconds. Then we took out the paper and we compared it to the color on the pH scale. Then we sliced potatoes and put 1 slice of potato in each Petri dish and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we took out the potatoes and we observed. Then we put the potatoes, so we put them out on paper towels so that way we knew which one they went in. Then we left it overnight. In the morning when we came back into math science,
Oh, there's my teacher. I have to go. I'll be back in a sec.
okay, bye, bye.
We're talking about experiments.
Yeah, what do you know about experience? You're just another football guy's girlfriend.
Well, I do know a little bit about science, though.
Like what?
Well, I felt like, we mixed acid and base, then they would neutralize each other with some of the water to come in through the potatoes. So since you were talking about that with Annie, I was just thinking about it.
Whatever.
Hey, babe, wait up! You need 4 teaspoons of water, 5 Petri dishes labeled in number order, 5 pieces of thinly sliced potato, 4 teaspoons of apple juice,
Which is a weak acid.
4 teaspoons of milk,
Which is a weak base.
4 teaspoons of coffee, which is a
strong
strong base, and 4 teaspoons of lemon juice.
Strong acid.
You also need 5 pieces of litmus paper,
4 plastic spoons,
a tablespoon measure,
and a pH scale in color.
Well, what's the point of the experiment?
Okay.
Well, since she asked, the point of the experiment is to see if we mix acids and bases, if they can neutralize each other enough to trick the process of osmosis into thinking it as water and letting it pass.
All of the potatoes got at least twice as bendy, except for the ones with coffee. The variable that goes on the x-axis is the substances that we mixed. And the variable that goes on the y-axis is the pH level of those substances. We have the substances that we mixed, the pH level of those substances, and what they're categorized as.
Well, thanks for telling me.
No problem.
Thanks.